everybody, this is Otters Review, and I guess I didn't do one last week. I thought I did. So this is week 6 and 7, I believe. Yes, 6 and 7. I actually have no idea how I missed a week. But anyways, I'm going to do mostly from this past week, but I'll do the week prior to. I talked about a Wednesday game in the last video that we won 7-1. Who did we play? We played Saginaw. And then October 26th and 27th we lost. So that's that week. Yay, we reviewed that week. That was short. Now, let's get to this week. I got some highlights from the weekend on Saturday specifically. So let's get into it. So this week we had games Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. We had 2 games against Owen Sound at home, Friday, Saturday, and a game Sunday. On Friday, let's see, we lost 6-3. On Saturday, we lost 6-1. I was actually at that game, so here's some more highlights from that game. The game on Friday we didn't play well. I think I just said 6-3 we lost. Saturday was even worse. The game was close, 2-1 through the first 2 periods. Even though it was close, we were definitely not as talented as Owen Sound. It was easy to tell. We're just, I don't know. I told my wife we acted like we had, the coach had fed the players pizza and they ate too much and they couldn't move or something. Very lethargic. It was close, but we just looked bad. Owen Sound was faster. They passed well. We don't pass well at all. Our coaching philosophy seems to be get to the line and chuck it by the goalie, behind the goalie, which is awful. We did that the whole game. I wish we would pass. Owen Sound passed. And guess what? They scored goals. It was so bad. I wish I had got this on video. But we actually scored against ourselves. Woo! You know you're good when you do that. Anyway, here's some more video. This was actually our best chance. We did score a goal, but this was the best chance I got on video. It went off the post. Ding! And the fans went wild, but it did not go in. So that was the weekend. We looked awful. I just think we have a bad coach. I don't understand. I think it's coaching philosophy to just chuck the puck down the ice and try to go get it, which doesn't work. we have enough skilled players. We should be able to pass to each other more than twice. Would be nice. So as you saw in the previous video, I'm not in love with the coach. And hopefully, if not in the middle of the season, during the season, we get a new coach. He's not a bad person, but I think he's a pretty awful coach. Get us a new coach! Alright. So here's the highlight of us almost scoring. That's as good as I got. His foot. Alright, we got excited. We almost scored. We still lost. They scored, I don't know, 4 goals in like 2 minutes on Saturday. So, bad effort. And Sunday, did we win? No, we lost. So that's it. We lost on Sunday. We lost every game this week. 0 points. We should play better. We're not a 4-10, 4-11 team. We have better players than that. Alright. Selection day. Woo! I'm not registered. But I might register next year. I should, right? Alright. Everybody take care. I might do one next week. I might do a 2-week thing again. It really sucks doing videos when they don't lose and when they lose. Don't lose. They lose all the time. It sucks to do videos when they lose, so I might not do another review until we score at least 4 points on a weekend. I want 4 points in a week. Please! And I'll do another video. Alright. Thank you, 20 watchers. Carl McDavid didn't have a good weekend, so it won't be 500 watchers. Alright. Bye.